Right, this one is areas. Areas of squares, triangles, I don't know what shapes they are. Right, now squares, all the same. All sides are the same, so that's 5. So the area is 5 times 5, which is 25 centimeters squared. So this one is going to be 2 times 2, which is 4 centimeters squared. Don't forget the units. 8 times 8, which is 64 centimeters squared. The square below is a hectare in area. Okay, so that's 100 meters, because it told me it's a square. So a hectare in square meters is 100 times 100, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 meters squared. A hectare is 10,000 meters. So how many hectares is this square? So that's 200. So 200 times 200, which is 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros meters squared. So that is 4 times bigger than that. So if we did 4, 1, 2, 3, how many zeros? We got 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 4 times bigger. There you go. Learn something every day. What a hectare is. So soon forget. Find the areas of these rectangles. So 4 times 3 is 12 centimeters squared. 9 times 5 is 45 centimeters squared. And 40 times 26 is, calculator out for that one. 40 times 26 is 1040 centimeters squared. Okay, so far. A sheep needs 25 square meters of land to be kept in. A farmer owns the field. How many sheep can she keep? So find the area. 100 times 6 equals 600 meters squared. Now divide that by what the sheep needs. 600 divided by 25 for 24 sheep. How many sheep can he keep? Yeah, so we got 40 times 26. Did we do that just now? Yeah, 1040. It's still in my calculator, that number, meters squared. So we do 1040, assuming he's got the same kind of sheep, divided by 25 equals 41.6. Can't have a 0.6 of a sheep, so we round it down to 41 sheep. Below is a compound shape made of 2 rectangles. Show 2 ways of splitting the shape. Well, we could either split it that way, or we could split it that way. Yeah, find the area. Okay, so I'll do it the red way. Doesn't really make any difference which way round you do it. So this top bit is going to be that times that. So 5 times 18 is 90 centimeters squared. And this bottom bit is 25 times 3, which is 75 centimeters squared. Add them together, 165 centimeters squared. Find the area of these compound shapes. Right, okay. Right, so we need to know that this bit here, this is easy enough, isn't it? 5 times 7 is 35. This bit is 2 times, the difference between 5 and 9, so this must be 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Add them together, 43 centimeters squared. And this one, we've got 10 times 10, which is 100. That's that bit. And this bit is 10, that's 14, so that must be 4. And we got 4 times 7 is 28. Add them together, 128 centimeters squared. This one, 7 times 12. 5, 12, 60, 70, 84 centimeters squared. And then we've got this one, which is 11 times, what's that bit? That's 12, that's 9. That must be the difference, which is 3. 11 times 3 is 33. Add together 7 and 11 centimeters squared. Okay. Find the area of these compound shapes. Ooh, don't like that one. Right, okay, so let's do that. So that bit is 5 times 3, which is 15. And this bit is 25 times 23. 25 times 23 is 575. 575. Not mixed any units up so far. 5 and 5 are 10. 7, 8, 9. 5 centimeters squared. Like this one, I'm going to draw that line there. So the whole height of the everything is 3 and 12 and 3, which is 18. So that bit on the left is 5 times 18, which is 90. And this bit here is 15 times 12. 15 times 12, which I don't know. 15 times 12 is 180. And together 270 centimeters squared. This looks like the logical way. 6 times 6 is 36, and 12 times 18 is 216, plus 36 is 252. 252 meters squared, that one. Alright. So we've got some kind of thing. Find the area of the watch face. So the watch face is that bit, yeah? Below is a diagram of a square watch face. Oh, so the square watch face is 2 times 2, which equals 4 centimeters squared. And the strap is 1 times 3. 1 times 3, which equals 3. But we've got 2 of them, which equals 6 centimeters squared. Replacing the watch strap costs £2.99 per square centimetre. How much change would you get from £20 note? So 6 times £2.99. So 6 times £2.99 is 17.94. 17.94. How much change with a £20 note? So 20 take away that is £2.06 change. Just one take away the other. Children's toys made from a central square. You can't see that, can you? And 3 identical rectangles. So the area of the square part is 15 times 15, which I think is 225, isn't it? 15 times 15, yes, is 225 millimeters squared. The area of one rectangular part, they're all the same, so it's going to be 8 times 2, which is 16 millimeters square. And the whole toy is 225 plus 16s. We've got 3 of them, 16 times 3, which is 48. So 48 plus 225 is 273 millimeters square. Ooh, triangles. Triangles. Right. Area of these equilateral triangles. Well, the area of a triangle equals half times the base times the height. So this one is a half times 1 times 0.866. So 0.5 times 1 times 0.866 equals 0.433 centimeters square. This one, a half times 2 times 1.732, which is 0.5 times 2 times 1.732, which is 1.732. Yes, because look, 1 times that. 1.732 centimeters squared. And this one is a half times 40 times 34.6. So 0.5 times 40 times 34.6 equals 692 meters squared. This height must be the vertical height. Don't get mixed up with the going up the sides. Find the area of these right angled triangles. So a half times 1 times 3, which is a half 3, which equals 1.5 centimeters squared. A half times any numbers, doesn't matter, we're just multiplying them all together. 28 times 33. So 0.5 times 28 times 33 is 462. 462 centimeters squared. They'll tip the triangles round, try and make it more confusing, but it doesn't matter. So this is going to be a half times 30 times 150. So 0.5 times 30 times 150 is a mammoth 2250 meters squared. Now what we got? Compound shapes, triangles and thingamajigs. Oh look, there's a pie there. Right, so this one. So let's do this bit first, which is 1 times 8 equals 8. And this one is a half times 2 times 1. That's the height of the triangle. 2 ones are 2. Half of that is 1. So total 8 plus 1 equals 9 meters squared. This one. Let's do this bit first, which is 1 times 9 equals 9. And then this bit is a half times 12 times 9. So 0.5 times 12 times 9 is 54. And this little bit is a half times 1, we'll call that the base, times 2, which is 1. So add them all together. So we got 9 plus 1 plus 54 equals 64 millimeters squared. And the last one is a square with 2 semicircles. Now I'm going to call that a circle. So if I just work out the area of a circle altogether, yeah. So the area of a circle is pi r squared, and it says use 3.1. So this is 3. Sorry everyone. 3.14 times the radius, which is from the middle to the edge, which is going to be 3. 3 squared, which is 3.14 times 9. 3.14 times 9, which is 28.26. And the square in the middle is 6 times 6, which is 36. So altogether, we've got 36 plus 28.26, which equals 0.26, and that's 4, and that's 64.26 centimeters square. So there you go. That's area all in one go.